Alright, getting back on to doing these PanHeads here, getting these spark plug holes in here. So we're on to the rear head now. So I had to grind this all the way because it was hitting on the plate up here. So you couldn't put the head down here because it was sticking up above the gasket surface. So I went ahead and dressed this all down how I like it to be. Left a little bit of lip right here for the exhaust to hit up against. And I don't want to cut any more away from this. Right now we're hitting on my plate right here. Sitting on this corner right up in here, which is keeping me from bolting it down. So first I had the thing was jacked up in the air. It was cocked up like this because it was hitting on the area I just ground back there. So now when I slide this all the way over, as you see where that red spot is there, it hits right there. And my bolt holes up underneath here don't line up, so I can bolt it down to my plate. So it leaves me two things I gotta do. Either cut the exhaust spigot away, which I don't want to do, or cut the plate away, which I don't want to do. So for now, we're going to cut the plate away. Because there's not much more I can cut here. I don't want to cut anything. So this isn't worth nearly as much as this head is, so we're going to cut this. So I'm going to basically make a little chamfer cut like right here. Over here on this other side. Used to have a light on. Right here where this red area is. So I'm going to go ahead and dress that away and get this head where I can bolt it up on here. I'm going to use my grinding burr right here to do that. So just a steel bit, so that's what you use on it. Okay, I got the plate ground back some more here. I had to come back and recut it right here again. It's right where the spigot hits on it. So hopefully it's enough this time. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt the head up on here. We'll take a look at it with the head up on here. Okay, I got the head up on here. Kind of level it out right here. Go over here. Light back on again. And you can see how close it is right up under there. So it's pretty tight. And you can actually move the head back a little bit right now. So we got ourselves probably almost 1/8 of an inch clearance. This one here I got maximum ground out, so we will need a little extra clearance later on for other ones. So I'll have to pre-grind every head before I can do that this side. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing leveled out, mocked up, and then we'll see where we're at on this one. Okay, I got the head on the plate here. I'll go ahead and show you how I mount these up and center things. I haven't done this head yet, so we'll see how these rear heads work. First thing I use is my level here. Stick it across the dowel pins. This just kind of roughs it in a little bit. So we just get it to where it's level. See, we're at on my clearance here. Pull it back just a little bit. Okay. Come on, move. Ah. It moved. It moved. Start over. Trying to get it perfect. Helps to go the right direction. It was 0 until it dropped. 2. take the tool I made here, stick this up on here. Ah. All the way down. Too far. Run too long by itself there. Okay, that's in, it's bottomed out. Swap over our indicator here. Drop the table down a little bit. Had it way up in the air here. Good starting point. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, I'm put it on the side and turn it this direction. Get that worked out. Seems to be way off for some reason. 10 pounds worth. Half a thou off now. Torque on it, see what it does when you torque on it, because it easily moves. Get this out of the way. Same with half a thou now. Amount of money. Go check something here. Alright, I'm back. Go check something for a minute. Heard something outside. Okay, so now we're straight going this direction, which should have squared our head up. For some reason this one's way out of whack. Usually they're pretty damn close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up, recheck it, see if it repeats. If it doesn't repeat, it's not very accurate. We want accuracy around here. Okay. Pretty close so far. Half a thou. That repeats pretty close, half a thou and 5 inches. pretty close. Okay. Just for the hell, I'm going to check the height here. Should I get this way? About a half out that way. Not exactly what I like for accuracy. Should be under a half. I mean under 1/1000 total. So if I split the difference, I can move it up this way just a little bit. But in the real world, 1/2 thou when you put a plug hole in doesn't mean nothing for 1/1000. You'd be lucky if the drill goes in with that close. So I'm not gonna worry about it. Don't like it, but it's not that important. If I was doing a valve guide hole, it doesn't matter, then I would care more, but for a spark plug hole, it just isn't that important. Okay, now I'm just going to dial and center off my dowel pin. That's what its job is to set my center line dimension. Close that way, 10 thou that way. Okay, check my table locks. If you put a little pressure on your table locks, it'll slightly change the dimensions, so make sure those are on. Get my digital scale going up there. Okay. I'll just dial this in. I'm within 1 thou being on center right now, so of course I want that to be closer. Looks like I'm 1/2 thou at least. What are we at here? Yeah, it's pretty close. I think we're within a couple tenths now. So I moved it 1/1000, zeroed out the indicator. Spin it up and check it. See how much it changes this way. It's 1/2 thou off that way, on center. That means this isn't quite perpendicular, but once again we're close enough for the application here. Okay, now I gotta go over here and see where I kind of sit over on this side, because now we're on the opposite head. I probably have to go the opposite direction, but I'm not sure exactly, because it's the first one I've done this way. So I can go over here and see what it looks like. Yeah, the dimension I was using, I think it was 3425 as I remember. Obviously I'll go double check on my notes. Or I can watch the older video. I do that. I've already done that. Go back and look at my videos. That's cheating though. Come on, give me my 10th. Damn thing. Come on. There it is. All that for 1/10. Jeez. Okay. Yes, 3.425. That's what I got up there. So that's the distance from this pin to the center of the hole, where the hole is going to be. Not where it is right now. We definitely have to offset some. We were using 50 before, so I'll go and give it to 50 right now. We'll see if that's enough. I might only have to go 35 because there's a 15 thou offset in this direction with the original head. So I might have to change it slightly. one of the things I got to kind of look at here and figure it out before I cut all this. It definitely looks like it needs to go back some. Looks like it wants to add to 15 to the 50. It'd be 65. Let's see, there's 65 right there. It actually looks a lot better. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my end mill in here and I'll come back and look at this. So I'll be dicking around here for a little bit. So instead of you watching me, I'll just go and do it.